and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie. And who's this? Who's that? Gabe? Don't touch mommy's mic. Hey, sir. Okay, he wants to watch Moana. We are on the Moana train right now. Anyways, today we're going to be making Italian Easter bread. I'm so excited for this recipe. I learned how to make this about 2 years ago. My best friend's mom makes it every year for Easter, and she sends me home with like 2 because I love it so much. It's my breakfast. I dip it in coffee and it's amazing. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. And if you enjoy the recipe, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. All right, guys, enjoy. Say bye. Bye. Oh, she blow kisses. Yeah.